Okay, hi folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video. In this video, I am introducing 300 plus tutorials on how you can kickstart your online business, okay? And so I will be leaving the link so that you can check things out. Also, I'm introducing an incredible marketing system. So if you're looking to build a business online, or you're looking for a great product to use to build a business, then you should check out the marketing system. Okay. Also, I want to share with you. I've got a course. It's absolutely free. It's a self-coaching transformational course. Comes to you through email. So let me just share that with you really quickly, and then we're going to come back and look at a little bit about this 300 plus tutorial program for you. Okay, so stay with me for the next few moments. Okay, so here I am, and here's the course. It's called The Power of You Life Coaching Course. Okay, this is a free, all right, transformational self-coaching eCourse. Okay, it is unique, very powerful, and life-changing. I've been in the personal growth and development business for many years, over 30 years. Okay, and so I put together some powerful information that will help people to really transform their lives. And you know that growing our lives is really a daily thing. We never really stop growing as people, or we never should anyway. Okay, here's a thought here that I absolutely love. It says, when one is out of touch with oneself, one cannot touch others. Okay, and so I'm also going to leave the link. Again, this is free. In the course, you're going to get 2 to 3 lessons per week, and it's perpetual in that we're constantly updating information and constantly adding new information, etc., to this amazing course. So if you are in personal growth, self-development, neuro-linguistic programming, okay, then this is something that you would really enjoy. I've got just a couple of thoughts I want to share with you from the course, from the first lesson, I'll put it that way. And so you'll get an idea of some of the things that you'll be receiving, okay, from this course. So, one of the thoughts that I have in the first lesson is a thought from Seneca. And it says, what you think of yourself is much more important than what others think of you. Isn't that powerful? All right. And it's important to be aware, and this is some things that we've noted in the course as well, through our own experience. Okay, it is important to be aware of what goes on within ourselves so that we can deal more effectively with what goes on outside ourselves. We learn through transformational life coaching that the relationship with the self is the most vital relationship in your life. Okay, we can't control other people, but we can control ourselves. We can find ways to deal better with others if we ourselves are in tune with who we are. And a final thought is, all that we are, all that we do are a direct result of the quality relationship that we have with ourselves. And so these are things that, man, this is an incredible course, and it's absolutely free. Okay, so I want to get back to the 300 plus tutorial, and then we're going to close out this video today. Okay, I want to do this for you really quickly. Okay, it says get instant access to 300 plus tutorials to kickstart your online business. Okay, and so you'll come here and you'll click here now. All right, and for the marketing system, you will come here and click here. Okay, so everything's right here for you. So let's just go here, and And we're going to do this really quickly just to show you real quick about this program.
How would you like
here.
Instant access to over?
Okay, so you go there. There's a video there, and look, as you go down, you'll see, I mean, incredible things that you can learn through this program. Okay, and I'm not going to, read all of this. Of course, I'm not, but you can see for yourself. And guess what? It doesn't cost anything to come and look. Okay. Doesn't cost anything to come and look and see the amazing tutorials that you receive with this program. And this is, worth several $100s, and you can get it for less than 20. So, okay. And so you can check things out. Also, again, keep in mind that we have the free self-coaching e-course for you, which is absolutely powerful. So I'm going to give my final thoughts, and I'm going to close this video out today. Okay, so there you have it. All right, and I'm going to leave the two links, one for the course if you're interested in that, and also with the course you'll also receive, I want you to make sure that you know this, that we're also going to share some business opportunities and the information, business concepts and ideas, etc. for that. Okay, and so you can come, you can check things out. Guess what? Again, it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg to see what's going on. Okay, matter of fact, it costs you nothing to take a look, okay, and see what we have to offer. All right, so I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off, wishing you a blessed and magnificent, wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.